be astonished!
Hi, my name is Charlene. Today I am going to read a tap and a pat. Page 1. This is Sam. Sam sat on the pan mat. Page 2. This is Pam. Pam sat on the tan mat. Pam and Sam are on the mat. Pam pats Sam. Page 4. Sam is not on the mat. Sam pats the pan. Page 5. Pam gets the pan. Page 6. Pam is at the mat. Sam is at the mat. Pam pats Sam. Thank you for watching.